more or less safe. It is more or less safe because the patient themselves, 8 of them, are now recovered. Okay? They are now recovered. All these days, right from the month of March, first part, second part of March, I think everybody, they got panicky. Everybody are scared of this disease. And some people say that I think the moment I get infected with this disease, then surely I'm going to die. Okay? But let me just tell you, now, I keep telling you, I keep telling you, DHS also used to tell you every now and then, health department used to tell you every now and then, that this disease is completely curable. It is completely curable. The only concern is what? Our concern is the transmission rate. The transmission rate is so high that is only the concern of not only our state but the whole world, leaders throughout the world. The concern is about the transmission rate of this disease. So next point is